Hello again. Now is the time to understand what is a decentralized network. Let's first start on how the current internet works. So when you browse the internet, you open up your browser and you type some address. What happens is that you send a request to a specific server that replies to you with the content of the web page. In a decentralized network, things are a little different. Every time you upload data in this type of network, this data is actually stored on one computer, but a copy is always made between all the computers that are part of this network. And now you're wondering, okay, what are the benefits of this? Are we discussing a backup or what it is? The idea is that in a decentralized network, when you store some data on the network, this data is specifically linked to you, and even if it's copied between all the computers, you are the only owner and no one can remove it from you. Imagine now that someone wants to remove this data or take control of it. In the current internet, this is quite simple. Data is stored on a specific computer, and the owner of this computer can decide what to do with your data. In a decentralized network, this is not possible because the data that is stored on one computer and is replicated across the whole network, it basically becomes impossible to remove it without your consent. This is particularly important if the piece of information that you're storing on this network needs to be uncensorable, or you want to be the only owner that decides who you want to transfer it to it. And each asset that lives on this network can be easily transferred between users, and no one can ever actually take control of it. For this reason, decentralized networks are becoming every day more and more important in our society. The current internet does not allow the user to transfer the value between them because the value is always stored on someone else's computer. There are also many things that we can discuss in this video about decentralization, but I want to make sure that you understand the biggest value of this type of networks. Whatever you create on a decentralized networks, it belongs to you and no one can remove it from you.